Woo! Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button at the bottom or the top or Jesus, I think I just made myself choke. Side to side, wherever the flying flip it is on the screen. Oh my God. Look, I think my acrylic nail is about to come off. And these two already come off. Bless her heart, you know that my person that does, Carrie, that does my nails, she's done my nails forever. She's wonderful. She's so good. But I have rheumatoid arthritis, and because the treatment that I'm on, I take a low-dose chemo every day for the rest of my GD miserable life. Don't even get me started. Anyway, because of that, my actual fingernails have fallen off. And no, it's not painful. I know what you're thinking. Oh my God, Monica, that's got to freaking hurt. No, it doesn't hurt too bad after they get off, but in the process of getting off, they do hurt. My bestie Kay helps me out quite a bit too. Shout out to her. But anyway, so my nail tech, she does things that she probably doesn't want to, and she puts acrylic nails over them at my insistence, but because they don't have anything to grip onto, they pop off like a Lee press-on nail. Anyway, what I thought we would do on this video is open this bad boy up. I don't know. What was that? I don't know. Anyway, it's the Twilight palette from Focallure. Focallure. I don't know how to pronounce this, so someone knows. Someone needs to tell me. Is it Focallure? Maybe it's Focallure, and I'm just calling it Focallure. I don't know. Anyway, I ordered this. I watched another YouTuber, and she did a review on it, and I had to have it. So I ordered it, and I think once I did swatches last night, if you're following my other social media. Let me catch my breath, because you know I'm fat and old. You know, the Snapchat. You know, all the other bullshit. If you go over there, last night I did all the swatches. So today I thought that I would just play around it and show you how it went on the eyes. Maybe not the colors that you would want, but if you want a certain color, leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to do it on the eyes. Or, I mean, hell, for $7.83 off eBay, I'll link it down below. You can order it and do it your damn self. How about that, huh? Anyway, once again, I'm going to use my Real Techniques eyeshadow and my Sephora. My bestie bought me the Sephora set. Let me get those out. I know, professional. I know, should have had this shit out, but guess what? Didn't tell the law. Anyway, look at these colors, y'all. Look at this. Look at this palette. I don't even know if you can see it all. I don't know if it's focused. I don't know. All I know is that I can see it, and that's all that really matters. It looks like that they've got mattes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mattes, and the rest is what I would call metallic. They're not really like glitter. So, like, for instance, I'm just gonna put the sunrise on my finger. I want to show you. I'm just barely rubbing it in there. Look at this. Look at this. How gorgeous is that? What? Look at that. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to start playing, and you're going to be here with me, and we're going to do it together. First, I'm going to go in with Tangerine, this color right here, and put it in my crease. On the crease line and above, not below the crease line. The crease line is your eye socket bone. That's what it is. So if you don't know what that is, feel your eye socket bone, and that goes like right in the eye socket bone. You don't want to go below that line right there, but you can go above it. Put that on both sides. I don't even know what I'm doing, but that's what I'm doing to start with. Look how pigmented these are. $7.83 off eBay, free shipping. Look how pigmented this is. Oh my God, I'm in love. I'm in love. Miss Giraffe, get out! I'm in love with the palette! What am I in the concert? Gotta turn that down. Get demonetized. Not that I have enough subscribers for that. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Hell, hit subscribe for your neighbors. Subscribe for your, person down the street. They'll never know it's free. Think of the people at the old folks home. Subscribe in their name. They'll never know. Go to the cemetery, get some... I'm just kidding. Don't do that. I'll get in trouble. Okay. What I'm going to do now, I think, just to play, is I want to go blue, because I have my pink, my Victoria's Secret thingy on. I want to put the blue on the lid. So let's do a little bit darker. So I'm going to go down here with this color. It is Rose Valve. It's pretty. No, I mean, for real, it's pretty. Not like it's pretty. And I'm just going to put that right underneath of that orange, just to kind of give it definition. And it sure did, didn't it? Lord? Let's bring it up over the orange. And I'm going to put it on the outer and inner of the actual eyelid too. Okay? Just a little bit. Don't go heavy-handed on it or you're going to look like a doofus. So you want to go above the orange, the outer and inner corner. It's hot as hell in here. What's going on? Ohio weather is crazy. What's the weather like where you are? I mean, I know a lot of you's in Ohio, don't get me wrong, but some of you aren't. I'm about to turn the air conditioning on. It's only 20-some degrees outside, but I'm hot. That's what happens when you get old. I'm sorry. Okay. The problem is there's not very many, I love this palette, but there's not very many colors. Okay, so I'm going to go in, I'm going to use my finger, I think, and go in this blue and put it in the middle with my finger, because I think that's going to be the best way to apply the metallics. Oh my God. Ooh, look at this. Oh my God, look at this, y'all. Look, guys. Guys. Oh, look. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. This palette is gorgeous. And I mean, for the price, that's unbelievable. You know what I mean? Like it's blue, but yet it's still got a little bit of that pink in it, and it's got a little bit of the brown in it. Wow. Wow. Take the brush that you use the pink on, you want to just come up to the sides and above it. Just kind of blend it in. And I'm going to use the same pink brush and go up underneath. Just on the side. About to the halfway point. Not quite halfway. Oh my gosh, I'm always sniffing in these damn videos. Well, you know what? It's this Middle High Valley. There's a cream color and a white color here. I'm going to use a little bit of the cream matte and go up underneath the brow bone just because I like my brow bone to pop. And remember, I always go just on one side of the flat brush and just kind of lay it and pat it up along the brow bone so that it don't smear anything. I'm going to try to get it. Tanky, you do not have to be in every video. Shh. Shh, Tanky, no. It's hard to do the... I like that. I absolutely like that. Tanky, shh. I'm sorry, y'all. We have 4 dogs. You hear any of the other dogs? No. Just... See, it's just like kids. Kids, I'm putting my makeup on. Mommy's putting her makeup on. Sit your ass down. Shut it. I just can't get over this color. I love this color. This is pretty. I'm going to try, I'll try to get, wonder if I use a silicone. I have a silicone brush. See, it's wee little. I wonder if that'll allow me to. Shh. None of the other dang dogs around here bark but him. I need the dog whisperer to come and help him. I want to go as much as I can with this blue on this side. Oh, the trials and tribulations of the metallic eye. Ya bastard. I think this is pretty. Shh. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I had to look at the mirror behind you. I cannot get over this. Look at this. Look at this yellow. Metallic. I love it. And you know what? I bet it'd be pretty. I bet it would be. I got this pencil from CoverGirl the other day just because I thought it was pretty. I usually don't do that, but it's almost like a holographic pencil. Check that out. I want to put that on my waterline. I like it. Yes. Yes, bitch. Okay. I'm going to go off camera, put some mascara on. Come over. Actually, no, I'm not. I don't have to go off camera. Look. I'm going to link this down below. This Focallure or whatever the hell you want to pronounce it. Twilight palette. 7 mattes and the rest metallic, and y'all just do not understand when I say metallic. Look at that. Look at that. It's so pretty. $7.83 through eBay. I'll link it down below. You guys have got to get it. Okay? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Tell all your friends to subscribe. Hell, even if they don't watch the video, subscribe! For crime's sake. Thanks for watching. Peace out.